Hi guys, welcome back Rainbot channel. You are watching Rainbot, and today we are going to make a very beautiful magical origami. You can make several design just like this. This is one design, this is another one, this is another one. Now this is another one. Please do subscribe my channel and share your friends. Let's see how can we make it. Just go through my tutorial and you can make it. You have to take total 12 units. This is one of them. You can take different color. I take total 12 square paper of 10 centimeter versus 10 centimeter of two different color. Now make one unit, and what you have to do, first fold along this diagonal and do it very carefully. Okay, now come one unit. Yes, folding is complete along one diagonal, and go to the opposite diagonal and fold along this diagonal also. Okay, done. Then unfold it and then fold along this side like this. Okay, complete. Now unfold it, then fold along this line. Okay, done. And rotate it and do the same thing. Like this. Okay, now rotate and you got these 2 points. You can see here, this is one point and this is another point. What you have to do, you have to match this line along these 2 points. Yes, exactly like this. Now go to the opposite side and do the same thing. Choose these 2 points, one point and another point, and match this line along these 2 points. Okay, complete. Now rotate this and unfold it, and then put these 2 fingers, middle fingers, along like this, yes, just like this, and fold like this. Okay, then match these 2 sides. Okay, then unfold one side and you have to fold along this line like this. Okay, now fold one side and make sure this line will align this line. Okay, complete. And do the same thing to the left side. Yes, done. Now go to the opposite side, unfold this portion along this line. Okay, right. Now fold along this side and match this line like this. Okay, done. And do the same thing to the left side. Okay, done. Now what you have to do, unfold this portion like this. You can see it. Now you have to push it and make a fold along this two side. Make sure that this line will align or parallel of this line. Okay, done. And do the same thing, unfold this portion and then push it up and fold it, and this line will be parallel to this line. Okay, done. Now do the same thing to the opposite side. First unfold this portion like this, and then fold like this. Okay, complete. Now do the same thing. Yes, now one unit is ready. What you have to do, just unfold this side and unfold this side, and this is your one unit. You have to make another total 11 unit, total 12 unit, another 11 unit is here. Total 12 unit. First what you have to do, take one unit and take another unit of different color, and let's see. And you have to put these two portion along this side, these two side. Okay, now and this portion will go to the this side. Okay, let's see what happened? This portion is going to this portion of another color. Now I assemble 2 units. We have to assemble total 12 unit. Let's do it. Okay, I assemble total 12 units just like this, and then what you have to do, first unfold this portion and put along this side and fold like this. Okay, now do the same thing, push like this and make a fold like this. Okay, do same thing. Good, complete it. Okay, done. Okay, then match to end of the arrangement and put these two sides along this line. Like this. Okay, done. Now okay, I just complete this folding part. What we have to do, we have to just open up this portion and fold this portion, just I've already done. What we have to do, just unfold this portion and then fold here and fold here, just like this. You can say it best. Okay, folding is done. Then just do the same thing here, just fold it just like this Okay, done. Complete it by folding total circular section. How is it? If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe my channel and do share and like, and please keep supporting me. Thank you guys for your love and support. Stay blessed. Thank you.